The Sankhya philosophy of Kapila, an ancient Indian school of thought, provides an interesting perspective on the theory of evolution. According to Sankhya philosophy, the universe is composed of two fundamental principles, Purusha, consciousness, and Prakriti, matter. Purusha represents the conscious, eternal, and unchanging aspect, and Prakriti represents the material, ever-changing aspect. These two are the building blocks of the material world, or the world that we can see and experience. Purusha refers to the ultimate reality or consciousness that exists beyond the realm of material existence. It is considered eternal, unchanging, and devoid of attributes, and is not involved in the process of evolution but serves as the witness to it. Prakriti represents the material aspect of the universe. It is the realm of matter, energy, and all the changing forms of existence. Thus Prakriti represents the material world, including all physical matter and energy, while Purusha represents consciousness or the witnessing aspect of existence. Gunas and Tanmatras are two fundamental components of Prakriti. Prakriti has three gunas or qualities: Sattva, purity, harmony; Rajas, activity, dynamism; and Tamas, inertia, darkness. These gunas are present in varying degrees in all aspects of the material world. Sattva represents purity and associated with qualities such as knowledge and virtue. Rajas represents activity and associated with qualities like ambition and restlessness. Tamas represents darkness and ignorance and associated with qualities like lethargy and confusion. Depending on the predominance of a particular guna, different forms and manifestations emerge in the material world. As the gunas interact with Prakriti's elements, they shape the evolution of life forms. Tanmatras, the second component of Prakriti, are subtle elements that are the building blocks of the material world. These Tanmatras represent the essence of the five elements: earth, water, fire, air, and ether. Evolution occurs as the Tanmatras combine and recombine in various ways, giving rise to different physical forms. From the Tanmatras, 5 subtle elements called Mahabhutas are derived. These are the basis for the gross physical elements in the material world. These are earth, air, fire, water, and ether. These Mahabhutas serve as the building blocks of the material universe. They combine and interact in various ways, giving rise to the diversity of physical forms and phenomena observed in the world. For example, when the Mahabhuta of Prithvi, earth, dominates, it gives rise to solid objects such as rocks, mountains, and landforms. Similarly, the dominance of Tejas, fire, results in the manifestation of energy, heat, and light. The Mahabhutas provide the foundation for the physical aspects of living beings. Life forms evolve through different stages, progressing from lower forms of existence to higher ones. This progression is guided by the interplay of the gunas, the accumulation of karma, actions and consequences, and the inherent tendencies and potentialities of each individual. Purusha or consciousness remains unchanged and unaffected by the transformations taking place in the material world. It illuminates and provides awareness to the evolving forms of Prakriti. In summary, the theory of evolution as explained in the Sankhya philosophy of Kapila revolves around the dualistic nature of reality, and provides a metaphysical and philosophical framework for understanding the theory of evolution, focusing on the interplay of consciousness and matter. While it does not provide the same level of empirical evidence and scientific mechanisms as modern evolutionary biology, it offers a unique perspective on the nature and processes of evolution within the context of Indian philosophy.